What's up guys, this is my PO box opening for the PS4. Had it delivered yesterday for my birthday, so 18 tomorrow actually, it was early, so my birthday was early. Anyway, I opened this a few days ago, it weren't a good film, so that's why I got it here. Packaging, on top. Packaging, on top. There's the PS4. Now, anyway, this is the PS4 box, and it has one game with it. It has Battlefront, so I need to get some. I will get some more games for this. I have the PS3 set up now because I'm just about to make a gaming video in a minute, so I've got to work out where to put the camera. Oh god, this is going to be so difficult. Anyway, yeah, so this is the PS3. Just get it out. It's the PO box PS3. Sorry, I had to rip this because it just wouldn't come out the other day. Oh, please don't break. Alright, let's go in. There's the PS3. This is the PS3. Where did it open? I don't know where it opens. Oh, here we are. Here we are. I don't even know what I've done to it. What have I done? Here we go. Getting there, guys, slowly. Controller. Show you what that looks like compared to the one I already play with. I think I should be used to it. I think so. Like, I'm sure it's similar to the same as... It's just different and newer, if you know what I mean. Like, if you see compared to the difference of the flashing of this compared to that. So, very different, very nice, very cool as well. Sure, yeah. I'm sure it's exactly the same. Oh yeah, sorry. Yeah, I'm sure it's exactly the same as one one. There's the controller. Let's put that in there for now. Yeah, that is my controller. We have a PS4 booklet. Don't lose those. Put them there. What else do we have? We have the connector for the... That don't look like the HDMI cable. There's the power. Different. Very different. What else do we have in there? Oh, more rubbish. Sorry about that. Do we have anything in the back? Yes, we do. We have another gaming thing, whatever, I don't know. And that was a receipt for my PS4. Well, whatever. My mum and dad bought it, so... Oh, the game, we have the PS4 thing, whatever. And we have the game itself. Battlefront. Pretty cool. Violence. Fantastic. Battlefront. Alright. Oh yes. What else do we have in here? We have the... Is this the HDMI cable? I have got one. Fantastic. They don't normally... When I had that... Right, let me tell you stuff. When I had this, I bought it and it had no HDMI cable with it, which is absolutely brilliant. So that means I can connect both of them on HDMI and HDMI 2 and 1. So I can have both of them connected. So that is awesome. Right, now moving on to the PS4. That's down there. This is the PS4. It looks different. That's the PS4. I don't know how you'd work to get the disc out. Surely if it's got the HDMI, it should just connect to the television and the power as well. Right, okay. Oh, I see. Okay. Just looks different. I'm not used to it. That's the thing, guys. Once you've got a new console, you just got to get used to it. No, because you're not, actually, I'm not used to it. I really aren't. I'm not used to it. But I got this the other day, so yeah, this is what basically my gaming videos are going to look like. Just with the PS4 on there and the PS3. So it's going to look like that with my two consoles. It will look awesome. And yeah, I've got to work out a way of trying to set this up. So we'll see you when it's set up.